Yes, good morning children. Second class children, be ready with the science class of notebook. Yesterday we wrote 3 question answers, isn't it? What are the questions teacher gave for you? What are shrubs? What is a trunk? What are trees? Today teacher will give you 3 question answers. Another 3 question answers. Copy down very neatly. Then I will give the oral drilling practice. Okay. So be ready and write very neatly. Ready? Get ready with your pencil children. Copy down the next question. What are herbs? What are herbs? Okay. Now listen here. Write down fourth question. Write down. Spell the word W H A T. What are A R E. Touch the line. What are herbs? H E R B S. Herbs. Okay, what are herbs? Now learn the question. Fourth question, what is that? Yes, what are herbs? Okay, now what is the answer? Yes, you are going to say very small. Now I am writing the cursive. This also you can write in the cursive, children. Okay. Okay, I wrote a split handwriting. Once again, I will write in the cursive handwriting for you. Because you came to second class. You have done the cursive writing practice, isn't it? So, I will write in the cursive handwriting only for you all. Do the practice in cursive handwriting, children. Come on, write in the cursive letters, children. What are herbs? Follow the cursive handwriting very neatly. What are herbs? Come on children, you should not write a split handwriting. I am sorry, you can write cursive. Start with the cursive letters. Okay. Join the letters. And don't lift your hand while cursive. Writing those letters. Okay. What are herbs? Now, very small and weak plants. They are very, not only small, they are very weak. Very small and weak plants. Weak plants are called herbs. Very weak. Okay. Very weak plants are called herbs. Herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Herbs. Okay. Very small and weak plants are called herbs. Okay. So, example. What are the example, children? Tell me now. Yes. What is that? You can write cursive handwriting. Write on the line mint. Okay. You can write mint. And another one is spinach. Okay, so many grass. What is that? You can write another one is grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. That's it. 2 examples. Come on, say now all of you. What are, repeat along with your teacher. What are herbs? Spell the word of herbs. H-E-R-B-S. Herbs. Don't run. While spelling the letters, no, you have to give a halt for each and every letter. H-E-R-B-S. But don't run. H-E-R-B-S herbs. W-H-A-T what? Will you learn like this? No. This is very bad. Take a second. Take a halt for each and every letter. Okay, 1 second halt. Now next one. Answer. Very. V-E-R-Y. Very. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. A-N-D. And. W-E-A-K. Weak. Plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. A-R-E-R-C-A-L-L-E-D. Called. H-E-R-B-S. Herbs. Come on, repeat the answer. Very small and weak. They are not strong. Small plants are not Strong. Grass is a very strong plant. No, they are very weak. Okay, and it has very green stem. Herbs has what? Green stem. Okay, weak plants are called herbs. Is it clear? I hope this answer is very clear. Okay, I have done the oral practice for you. You should have to do the same practice at home. Learn the question 2 or 3 times. What are herbs? Say, what are herbs? Answer. Very small and weak plants are called herbs. Answer is very small and weak plants are called herbs. Example, mint, grass. Is it clear now? Now I will go for next question. I am going to wrap. Okay, be ready now. Next question is, what are aquatic plants? What are aquatic plants? You know what is the meaning of aquatic? I told you. What is that? Aquatic means water plants. What are the aquatic plants means? Water plants. Yes. So we are going to write the answer for aquatic plants. Okay. Write very neatly, children. See, because for this lines, why I am drawing, if I am writing the cursive letter now, you can understand the strokes, way how to touch the lines. Okay. So this practice will give more good way to write in your classwork. And it will be very clear for you all. So get ready for this question and answer. Okay, get ready. Margin line. Okay. Now next question is 5th question. Okay. What are aquatic plants? W-H-A-T. What? Spell the word what? W-H-A-T. What? A-R. Look at that. A, how I am writing? A-R-E-R. What are aquatic spelling? A, yes. A-Q. Good. U-A. Yes. A-T-I-C. Aquatic plant. A-Q-U-A-T-I-C. Aquatic plant. P-L-A-N-T. Plant. What are aquatic plants? T-S. And place a question mark. Okay. What are aquatic plants? Answer. Okay. Now I am going to start the answer. That is, plants that live and grow in water. How I am going to write a spelling? Come on, write. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Plants. Yes. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants that live and grow in water. They live in where? Plants. These plants are live in water only. That live and grow in water. That live and grow in water. Grow in water. Okay. Are called aquatic plants. Are called aquatic plants. A-Q-U-A-T-I-C. Aquatic plants. P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. Aquatic plants. Write down this answer. Okay. Example. What are the example? Come on, say. Yes. I hope everyone is giving the answer very fast. Lotus. Water lily. Water lily. L-I-L-Y. Water start a oral drilling practice? Say along with your teacher. Okay? Come on, say. What are aquatic plants? What are aquatic plants? Spell the word of aquatic. A Q U A T I C. Aquatic plants. You know the spelling of plants? Yes, very good. Come on, say PLANTS. Plants. Okay. Now answer. What is the answer, teacher, for this? Yes, come on, say all of you along with your teacher. Plants. Spell the word of plants. 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 That. 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 LIVE. Leaf. AND. And. Grow. They not only live in water, they grow in water. GROW. Grow. In. In. Water. 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 ARER. CALLED. Called. Aquatic. AQUATIC. Aquatic plants. Okay. So, what are the aquatic plants, children? Yes, what are they? Lotus and water lily. Okay. So, what do you understand for this answer? What are aquatic plants, teacher? మీరు రాశారు, మేము కూడా రాసుకున్నాం. aquatic అంటే వాటర్ ప్లాంట్స్ చెప్పారు. అయితే లీవ్ అండ్ గ్రో ఇన్ వాటర్ అంటే ఏంటి, టీచర్? అంటే నీళ్ళనే ఉండడం కాదు, దాంట్లోనే పెరుగుతుంది. నీళ్ళనే పెరగడంకి ఏమంటారు? దట్ లీవ్ అండ్ గ్రో. ఇప్పుడు కమల పువ్వు ఉంది, అందరు లోటస్ చూసారా? ఇప్పుడు వినాయక చతుర్థిలో చూసారేమో కమల పూలు, కమల ఆకు అన్నీ చూసారు అందరూ. ఓ పెద్ద పెద్ద ఆకు చూసారు కదా, లోటస్ లీఫ్ రౌండ్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, అది ఏంటంటే వాటర్లోనే అది పెరుగుతుంది. వాటర్లే పెరగడము, అది ఉండడం కూడా వాటర్లోనే ఉంటుంది లోటస్. అర్థమైందా? అది బయట తొట్టిలో పెడితే ఒక లోటస్ పువ్వు వస్తుందా మీకు? రాదు. ఓకే, సో యూ కెన్ సీ దట్ లోటస్ ఈజ్ గ్రో. నాట్ ఓన్లీ దే గ్రో, దే లీవ్ ఇన్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ వాటర్. వాటర్లోనే ఉంటుంది ఈ ప్లాంట్స్. ఓకే, సో దానివల్ల దీని పేరేంటి? వాటర్ ప్లాంట్స్ అంటాం. అక్వాటిక్ ప్లాంట్ అనాలి. వాటర్ లిల్లీ కూడా అలానేనన్నా. వాటర్ లిల్లీ ఏ కలర్లో ఉంటుంది? వైట్ కలర్. లిల్లీ ప్లాంట్ చూసారు అందరూ? చూసారా? లిల్లీ పొడుగు వైట్ కలర్లో ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, ఇది ఏమో లోటస్ ఏంటి? పింక్ కలర్లో ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, మోస్ట్లీ లోటస్ ఇన్ విచ్ కలర్? యూ కెన్ సీ పింక్ కలర్. ఓకే, సో వాటర్ లిల్లీ ప్లాంట్ కూడా, ఇది కూడా ఎక్కడ? వాటర్లోనే గ్రో అవుతుంది. అది ఉండడం కూడా, పెరగడం కూడా వాటర్లోనే. సో దాని పేరేంటి? అక్వాటిక్ ప్లాంట్స్. దాని పేరేంటి? అక్వాటిక్ ప్లాంట్స్. అరే టీచర్ మీరు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. అరే నో యార్, ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ థింక్ లైక్ దట్ చిల్డ్రన్. యు ఆర్ వెరీ స్మాల్, నో? You came from first class to second class. So teacher should has to explain in your mother tongue and also in my English language. Okay, so don't think teacher is speaking in English, teacher. No, I'm sorry. This is not for to just for you to explain in detailed way. I'm using your mother tongue. Okay, don't feel bad. Okay, you should also now don't talk in Telugu. You try to speak in English only with your parents also and try to understand in English. Okay, now this is we are in recording classes session, isn't it? Then you should not get bored if I speak only in English. If I explain in English only, na, you get bored. What is this teacher is saying? Something we are not understanding. That is the reason I am using your mother tongue language. Okay, children, so try to understand at home. Sit and do the learning practice. Okay, so what is the question I gave? What are aquatic plants? అర్థమవుతుందా మీకు అందరికీ? ఓకే, ఆన్సర్ ఎలా చెప్పాలి? అందరు చెప్పండి నాతోటి. Plants that live and grow. That live and grow in water are called aquatic plants. Okay, example, what are they? Lotus, water lily, water hyacinth. అది ఉంది, పెద్ద వర్డ్ అది, వద్దు అది. ఓకే, ఇవి రెండే నేర్చుకోండి. ఓన్లీ యూ లర్న్ ఓన్లీ 2 example. Okay children, fine. Now we'll go for the another question, that is 6th question. Okay, are you all ready now? Share up the board. Okay, the next question is, be ready. Teacher will give today only 3 questions, children. Okay, you write down only 3 so that it will be very clear for you all. That is, what does a green plant need to make its own food? For this also I will give an example. Okay. So, what are the things the plant need to grow? What are the things? Do you remember? What are they? Yes, some children are giving very fast answer. Yes, yes. Try to give the answers. Okay, when I am writing the question, no, you try to give the answer. Okay, should I start the question now? Sixth question. Come on, write down now. Write down, children. How do plants make their food? Write down now. How do, first letter capital letter, okay, first letter, how do, cursive letter hai na, all of you, how do plants make their food? Make their, like this you will say and write. See how teacher is saying and writing, isn't? I am not keeping my mouth mum. You should have to say and write like that. How do plants make their food? Look at the F stroke. F-O-O-D question mark. Okay. So how do plants make their food? అంటే ప్లాంట్స్ ఎట్లా తయారు చేస్తారు ఫుడ్ని? చేతోట? Are they prepare with the hands? Do they have the hands? Like your mom, she'll prepare in the kitchen food. Or the plants will prepare like that? No. How do they prepare? What do they need? Yes, that we will write in the answer. Okay. Now come on, write. Plants make their food. Spell the word of P is a capital letter, isn't it? So P is a capital letter. Write down. Plants make their food. Touch the line, children. First line. Okay. Plants make their food. M-A-K-E. Make their food. Make their food. Not our food. Their food. Okay. They are not preparing our food. They are preparing for them to prepare, how to prepare their food. Plants make the food with the help of what? With the help of, yes, someone is giving answer very fast. Come on, good. With the help of air. With the help of air, water and sunlight. Air, water, comma, place the comma. Okay. Air, water and sunlight. And sunlight. I don't have the place, so I am writing down. S-U-N-L-I-G-H-T. Sunlight. Okay. My lines are a little bit broad, so that is very... Now listen here. I will draw these thin lines for you to understand. Okay, is it clear now? See how I am touching the lines. Okay, now listen here. So, what is this here? Which question I gave? How do plants make their food? So, plants make their food with the help of what? With the help of air, food and sunlight. Air, water and sunlight. They prepare the food with the help of what? Air, water and sunlight. Okay. So, listen here. Now, for example, I'll draw the picture, I'll show you. Now, here, a pot. You don't draw any pot. Okay, don't draw. Now, listen here. There is a pot. Okay. If this plant should has to grow. then what you will do, you will keep in your room temperature, you will keep it in your room, and what will you do? If you want this fruit, flower, if you want to see in this plant, what will you do? Just you will place it in in your cupboard or in your plant, in your room. No, nothing. Where you should have to place this pot? Outside of your house, isn't it? So what does the plant need now? Sunlight. The plant need sunlight. Then water. The plant need water. Then air. Okay. So those three things are necessary. Then only the plant will grow healthy and it gives fruits and flowers. Okay. So it grows big plant. If this plants, if want to see very fresh, then what is possible now? How it is possible? Yes, you should have to place this pot in the sunlight and the water. When you pour the water, it takes it. Okay. So the plant needs water. Okay. Then air. Air is also necessary. Okay. Now I'll tell you. See. Now for the plant. అంటే ఒక చెట్టుకి ఏమేమి అవసరం ఉంది? గాలి కావాలి. ఓకే. సన్లైట్ అవసరం ఉంది. తర్వాత ఏంటి? నీళ్ళు. ఓకే. ఇవి మూడు ఉంటేనే ఒక చెట్టు మంచిగా పెరుగుతుంది. ఓకే. ఒక ప్లాంట్ చిన్న ఒక బేబీ ప్లాంట్ పెడితే ఇంత పెద్దగా ఎట్లా పెరుగుతుంది? సన్లైట్. ఓకే. సూర్యుడు వెలుతురు, ఇంకా నీళ్లు కావాలి, దానికి రెగ్యులర్గా మీరు వాటర్ పోయాలి. దాని తర్వాత మంచి బయటది గాలి ఉండాలి. దాన్ని తీసుకొచ్చి రూమ్లో పెట్టుకుంటే చెట్టు పెరుగుతుందా? నో, ఇట్ విల్ డై. సో ప్లాంట్స్ వాళ్ళు ఫుడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలంటే ఏదైనా వెజిటేబుల్స్ కానీ మంచి ఫ్లవర్స్ కానీ మీకు ఫ్రూట్స్ కానీ వస్తుంది కదా, మీరు ఫ్రూట్స్ వెజిటేబుల్ తింటున్నారు కదా అందరూ. సో హౌ దే ఆర్ ప్రిపేర్ ద ఫుడ్? ఇవన్నీ ఎట్లా ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నారు వాళ్ళు? దేనివల్ల? ఎయిర్, వాటర్ అండ్ సన్లైట్. Is it clear, children? No? You don't draw that picture. Just you write, copy down the question and answer. Come on, say. How do, repeat with the teacher. How do plants make their food? Come on, say. How do plants make their food? Not yours. Their food. Okay. Their food. Now come on, say the answer, all of you. Plants make their food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Is it clear? Should I say once again? Okay. Plants make their food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Got it? Oh, good. So tomorrow I will give you the fill in the blanks. So today we had completed 3 question answers, isn't it? How do plants make the food I gave? Then what is the next I gave for you? Water, herbs I gave. Now the next one is that is, what is the next one? What else I gave for you all? How do you remember? That is water, shrubs. That is over now. How do plants make the food? Is it clear, all of you? Fine. Thank you, children. We'll see in the next session. Okay. So tomorrow I'll give you the fill in the blanks. Thank you.